Now moving on to our next story, where Congress President Mallikarjun Kharge has taken a U-turn on the abrogation of Article 370 in J&K. Now, the National Conference leader, Sheikh Bashir, has flagged Kharge's statement as a compulsion. In fact, Sheikh Bashir has further said that the Congress was different on 370 during the Parliament session. After the Congress Party President Mallikarjun Kharge alleged that the Congress never intended to Article 370 abrogation, the National Conference leader Sheikh Bashir has flagged Kharge's statement as a compulsion. Do note, viewers, earlier in the day, Mallikarjun Kharge has said about the abrogation of Article 370 and alleged that the Home Minister Amit Shah was peddling lies about the Congress's stance. Let's listen in, viewers, what Sheikh Bashir had to say on the whole row.
जी, खाड़गे के स्टेटमेंट को मैं किस तरह से लेता हूं? जब पार्लियामेंट का सेशन हुआ तो इसमें हकीकत है कि कांग्रेस 370 के मामले में डिफरेंट थी, लेकिन पूरे इंडिया में 370 किसी और जगह पे ज़रूरत नहीं है। 370 कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन के अंदर जम्मू कश्मीर को एक स्पेशल स्टेटस के तौर पे दिया गया था और स्पेशल प्रोविजन था जो कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन के तहत दिया गया था जब कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन फ्रेम हुआ था। उस कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन को फ्रेम करते वक्त जम्मू कश्मीर के नुमाइंदों के दरमियान और उस वक्त के जो कॉन्स्टिट्यूंट असेंबली पार्लियामेंट के लिए बना रहे थे ज़ाब्ते, उनके दरमियान एक नेगोशिएशन हुआ था और डायलॉग हुआ था। अब कौन क्या कहता है वो उनकी अपनी मजबूरी हो सकती है, लेकिन इशू जम्मू कश्मीर का है, जम्मू कश्मीर के लोगों की एस्पिरेशन है। तो जम्मू कश्मीर नेशनल कॉन्फ्रेंस ने अपने मैनिफेस्टो में कहा है कि हम इसके लिए लड़ते रहेंगे। कोई हमें किस रूप में देखता है, किस रंग में देखता है, किस तरह समझता है। अब बीजेपी पूरे इंडिया में ढंढोरा पीट रही है कि ये जम्मू कश्मीर के हित में नहीं था, तो हम कहते हैं कि वो झूठ बोल रहे हैं कि भाई जम्मू कश्मीर के हित में नहीं था। जम्मू कश्मीर के हित में था, तभी तो 75 साल रहा यहाँ। अब इन्होंने हटाया तो वक्त आएगा, सारी हमेशा के लिए तो उन्होंने भी नहीं रहना है और जम्मू कश्मीर ने ये मूवमेंट ख़त्म नहीं करनी है। लिहाजा हमारी ज़रूरत है जम्मू कश्मीर के अंदर जो स्पेशल स्टेटस था उसकी ज़रूरत है और इसके लिए लड़ते रहेंगे, चाहे कोई क्या कहे, उसकी तरफ हम नहीं जाएंगे।
अभी हाल ही में 2-4 दिन पहले जब जम्मू कश्मीर की विधानसभा में इन्होंने इस प्रकार का प्रस्ताव लाया था तो कांग्रेस के लोगों का स्टैंड क्या था? या तो स्पीकर झूठ बोल रहे हैं या वो कांग्रेस झूठ बोल रही है, नंबर 1। नंबर 2, अब इलेक्शन है, इसके कारण से ये अलग अलग अपना जो पैंतरा है बदल लेते हैं, उसके बाद दोबारा इस प्रकार की भाषा बोलेंगे। हर एक नेता का हर एक जगह के अनुसार ये अपनी जो बयान देते हैं जो गलत है। हमेशा से कांग्रेस 370 का राग लापती रही है और इन्हीं के कारण से ये सारी चीजें की बर्बादी हुई।
Viewers, I'd like to bring in my colleague Gursimran, who's joining us live from Jammu. Gursimran, after Sheikh Bashir's comments that he has flagged post Congress President Mallikarjun Kharge's comments on the abrogation of Article 370, how is that really likely to pan out for the political landscape if we were to speak about it?
See, the Congress is in confusion. That's beyond doubt, because what the Congress party is doing, that for the political benefit in the Maharashtra and Jharkhand, they have decided to stay away from Umar Abdullah's cabinet, and we have seen that there has not been a full expansion of the Umar Abdullah cabinet, because Congress may decide after the Jharkhand and the Maharashtra poll that they will be part of the Jammu and Kashmir polls. What they have not done prior to the elections is reason being that they do not want to take a political dent in Maharashtra and Jharkhand, and the statement of Mallikarjun Kharge can be linked to that only, that the Congress do not want to displease a larger audience that is in the Maharashtra and Jharkhand, because they know that if they speak in favor of Article 370 and 35 alpha, they are going to have their implications on ground when it comes to the vote share in Maharashtra and Jharkhand. And that was why this statement from Mallikarjun Kharge is being seen as the National Conference has termed this as compulsion, and it is beyond doubt that this is a compulsion of the Congress party. But the Congress has failed to take the stand. In the last 1 decade, where the Congress has come down to, it was was only because the Congress is confused over their decisions. In Jammu and Kashmir, they could not take a stand that whether they support the abrogation of Article 370 or they are in opposition of that. Because Congress has always maintained that we have August 6th resolution that the CWC has passed. That resolution marks no mention of the Article 370 or 35 alpha, but the Congress never spoke of that. Even many a times, even during the press conference of Mallikarjun Kharge in Jammu and Kashmir, we even asked them, but there was no reply from them, because at that time they knew that if they speak, they do not support the restoration of 370 and 35 alpha, it is going to have implications for them. And now they feel that if they say that they do not want 370 or 35 alpha, they never said so, it might benefit them in Maharashtra and Jharkhand, and that is why these kind of statements coming as a compulsion statement by the Congress chief Mallikarjun Kharge.
Thank you, Gursimran, for giving us those inputs on the whole row related to Article 370. Let's listen and viewers what Mallikarjun Kharge had to say about it, and also reactions coming in from the BJP.